Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Kraken wallet. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of services, including a wallet. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you understand the risks of using a cryptocurrency wallet. Cryptocurrencies are volatile assets, and the value of your investment can go up or down. Additionally, cryptocurrency wallets are not insured by the government, so if you lose your wallet or your private keys, you may lose your money. Why use a Kraken wallet? There are a few reasons why you might want to use a Kraken wallet. It's secure. Kraken uses a number of security measures to protect your wallet. It's easy to use. The Kraken wallet interface is simple and easy to navigate. It supports a variety of cryptocurrencies. Kraken supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so you can store all of your assets in one place. How to set up a Kraken wallet? Now that we've covered the basics, let's get started with setting up your Kraken wallet. Go to the Kraken website and click on the Create Account button. Enter your email address and create a password. Click on the Create Account button once again. 1. techcrypto.org. techcrypto.org. You will be asked to verify your email address. Click on the link in the email that Kraken sent you. Once you have verified your email address, you will be asked to provide some personal information. Click on the Next button. You will be asked to create a backup phrase. This is a 12-word phrase that you will use to recover your wallet if you lose your private keys. Write down your backup phrase in a safe place. Click on the Next button. You will be asked to confirm your backup phrase. Click on the Next button. You will be asked to create a two-factor authentication, 2FA, device. This is a device that will be used to generate a code that you will need to enter when you log into your wallet. Follow the instructions on the screen to set up your 2FA device. Once you have set up your 2FA device, you will be able to log into your Kraken wallet. Click on the Wallets tab and then click on the Create New Wallet button. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to create a wallet for. Click on the Create button. Your new wallet will be created. How to add funds to your Kraken wallet. Once you have created a Kraken wallet, you can add funds to it. There are a few ways to do this. You can buy cryptocurrency directly from Kraken. You can transfer cryptocurrency from another wallet to your Kraken wallet. You can deposit fiat currency, e.g., USD, into your Kraken account and then use it to buy cryptocurrency. How to send cryptocurrency from your Kraken wallet. To send cryptocurrency from your Kraken wallet, you need to know the recipient's address. You can find the recipient's address by clicking on the Receive tab and then clicking on the Show Address button. Once you have the recipient's address, you can click on the Send tab and enter the recipient's address and the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to send. How to secure your Kraken wallet. It is important to take steps to secure your Kraken wallet. Here are a few tips. Store your backup phrase in a safe place. Do not share your backup phrase with anyone. Use a strong password for your Kraken account. Enable two-factor authentication. Be careful when clicking on links or downloading software from unknown sources. Setting up a Kraken wallet is a relatively simple process. However, it is important to understand the risks involved before you get started. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.